Hello friends, myself Envy Lahamge, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, MVP Samaj, Nasik. We will see the next type of sorting mechanisms that are non-comparison based sorting methods. In this sorting, we don't have to compare any previous or forward elements with each another. Means these sorts are having their basic own techniques to arrange the elements of the array in ascending or in the descending manner. So, what is the radix sort? Radix sort is the generalization of a bucket sort. So, basically, what is the bucket sort? Means there are some buckets, means like this memory slots are available and we have to arrange our elements in these buckets. So this sort is known as the bucket sort. As this is a generalization, means advanced version of a bucket sort. In this we will have to also consider some buckets to store our elements to sort in either ascending or descending manner. Which is the procedure for this radix sort? First of all, the number of passes required to sort the sort is equal to the number of digits in the largest number in the list. Means how? For example, we will have to consider such a data elements like this. How many digits in these numbers? There are only 1 digit. So, in how many passes these data elements will be sorted? Only in 1 pass. Now consider the next case. Suppose there are elements like these elements are 2-digit elements. So we will require 2 passes. If we have the numbers like in whole this series, 123 is the largest number and it is having the 3 digits. So the total number of passes required for this sort means the series is 3. Suppose here it is like means it is having the 4 digits. Then according to this digit count, we will require the 4 number of passes. So this is a mechanism behind radix sort. But how to apply this sort to sort any data elements? First of all, in the first pass, the numbers are sorted in least significant digit. What is the procedure? In the first pass, the numbers are sorted according to least significant digits. What is the least significant digit? Suppose these are the 2 numbers. So what is the least significant digit for these numbers? For 12 it is 2. For 5 it is the 5. Means it does not have any elements further and this is the last digit. So in the first pass it will require the least significant. In the second pass it require the second significant digit for the sorting purpose. Means no any data element will going to be changed. But for example, we will consider these elements again. Now, in this case, in the first pass, we have selected least significant digit. We have to select second least significant. In this case, here it is no any least significant digit. So we will take a 0. Now, according to these elements, we will arrange this. In the third pass, we will consider the third significant digit, and so on. For how many passes it will decide which digit will be selected next. Now we will take one example and try to understand the mechanism behind